conversation between two friends on the importance of learning spoken English. Oh, finally, our exam is over. So, Rimi, what do you plan to do after the exam? I plan to pursue a course on spoken English. That will be useful. Knowledge of English is so important nowadays. If you appear for an interview, you have to be fluent in English. It has become a basic skill and it also creates a good impression. Absolutely, Payal. After all, English is an international language and the most common medium of communication almost everywhere. Moreover, if you travel abroad, it is your knowledge of English that will help you to communicate in a foreign country. See, if you are at a bank, shopping mall, any corporate office, everywhere you are expected to communicate in English. One thing I realized is that even if one person studies in an English medium school or has a good grammatical sense, if he or she is not speaking in English in everyday life, then he can never become fluent in English. Right, you are. If you are fluent in English, it makes you feel confident when you are at corporate offices, universities, seminars, or any kind of a formal event. If your knowledge of English is poor, then you won't be able to follow the speeches there that are mostly delivered in English. Rimi, I think you have taken the right decision to pursue a spoken English course. Perhaps it is. I think you should join too. We can both study together. Yes, that would be great. We can both learn and I can hone my English skills too. Exactly. We need to practice speaking English every day. We need to make it a habit, a part of our life. A conversation between two friends on choosing the right career option. Hey Rimi, what are you planning to do after college? You know, I have been learning Western dance since 2020. I plan to become a professional dancer. That's great. So, to become a professional dancer, what are the steps you need to take? I mean, how would you like to go about it? I'm already a team member of a dance group. We perform at various shows and festivals. I earn some money from there. Apart from that, I am planning to open a Western dance school after I finish college. Wow, that's a great idea. That way, you won't have to work under anybody. You'll be your own boss. Right, that will be an advantage. So, what about your career plans? Since I love to draw and paint, I want to pursue a 2-year course on graphic designing and animation from Apex Media Institute. They also assure 100% placement after completing the course. If you learn graphic designing, you can also become a content creator. You can create short animated films, post them on social media, and create a good source of income too. Actually, I have this thing in mind. I don't want to be solely dependent on a job. I plan to create part time income sources. I can also become a freelancer or set up my own business in graphic designing. I'm sure you're talented enough to make that happen. Let's see what our future has in store for us. Let's hope for the best. If you found this video informative and useful, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Access Spoken English to watch more such videos on spoken English. See you soon. Bye bye.